Guys, we're out here with our Subaru GL. This is just a general video. Lug nuts. Because your tire is really important, and gotta keep your tires on, otherwise you'll go skidding down the road, all sorts of bad stuff. So it's really simple. All you do is just take a little sledgehammer, and you're gonna just pop out. See this old one, how it was basically rattling around inside the wheel for a while, and it's all messed up. What you can do is you can take a die and just re-thread this, but they didn't have the die, so I just got some brand new ones, new threads. Not a big deal. Same thing. All we're gonna do. See, you have your wheel here. See how the other two are? We're just gonna put this one in here, and this one in here. And then we're just gonna take the sledgehammer and tap them in there. And so basically they just kind of stay in there. I'm gonna hit them in there a little harder, maybe with like a, oh yeah, actually, yeah, I'll just go hit them in there. With maybe some taps or something like that. I'll go grab one of my taps, give it a nice good hit in there. What you want to do is you want to get it straight on the seal there, basically, so it doesn't go anywhere, and you get enough thread, because the amount of thread on these things tells you how much basically you're gonna get in hold. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You just pull off the tire. Apparently my wheel is stuck inside my tire, otherwise you'd have to pry off the wheel from, well, this is an old school, old shoes and pads. You'd have to pry that off, but basically when you want to expose this wheel, and you have your lugs right there. That's it. Thanks.